Hey, what's going on guys, it's Cesar here, and today I'm going to show you how you can start making money with affiliate marketing from home. But before we begin, and if you like this information or you find it helpful in any way, do me a quick favor, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My name is Cesar guys, and I am an engineer. Also, I have an MBA specialist in finance, and in the last few years I have been making money with affiliate marketing because I didn't want to rely on a one source of income. So I'm going to show you the big picture. You are seeing my whiteboard on the screen guys, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to visit the website. So I'm going to show you, and also guys, remember to take always some notes because if you write, you are going to have more retention in your brain. So with that being said guys, we're going to visit a website so we can have information about future launches of products. And here we're going to find a list of products that we can promote, but these products are going to be high ticket products. And what does that mean is the commission is going to be more than $1,000 USD. Okay, with that being said guys, we're going to jump into my Google Chrome, and I'm going to show you, for example, you can see we have here this website, and the name is muncheye.com, and here we have the big launches, and these are all the launches, and we're going to focus on this part of the website. And if we scroll down, you can see here, check this out, we have some pretty good launches for January. The wholesale formula $29.97, the Kibo Eclipse $34.97, and they are paying 50% commission. So I'm going to click here on this page, and January 19th is going to be the pre-launch. January 10 to 25, the cart is going to open, and the cart is going to close on February 3rd. And for example, if you want to promote this product, you can put here your first name, your email address, and you need a Clickbank ID to register for this launch. So, and we have here, this is a track record of their sales from 2015 to 2021. You can see $22 million in sales, and they pay to their affiliates $10 million in commission guys, and also they have $27,000 in pre-launch prices. So this is a good product that you can start promoting in January. And if you are asking, well, how can I promote this thing? We can go to YouTube, and we have here, I put this keyword Kibo Call Quantum Review, and you can see we have here all these videos guys, and these videos are promoting the same product. We have Kibo Call Quantum Review, the Kibo Call Quantum Review 2021, legit or overhype, Kibo Call Quantum Review, Kibo Call Quantum Review, Kibo Call Quantum Review, and so on and so on. Kibo Call Quantum Honest Review, Kibo Call Quantum Review, what is Kibo Call? You can see guys, these are all affiliate marketers, and they are promoting the same product, and they are making YouTube videos about this product. So if I click here on this video, you can see we have here this person, and he is talking about the product, right? And then in the description here is where you need to put your bridge page here, right there, guys. And so you can collect leads and then redirect those people to your affiliate marketing offer, guys. And remember to put in the title keyword code. In this case is keyword eclipse, right? You need to put keyword eclipse review so you can rank for that keyword on YouTube. And this is a very simple formula to start your affiliate marketing journey and start making money from your home, guys. So if you want to get access to my 3-step formula, guys, to make money with affiliate marketing, you can click the link in the description. And also remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed, and if you like this information, give me a thumbs up. With that being said, guys, stay safe and talk to you soon. Bye.